the most effective solution at present. Currently on the market, all the 3-axis smartphone stabilizers are following the same traditional structure which is originally used for action camera gimbal. Smartphones have various sizes and weight. It's not easy to achieve the best stabilization performance.
Traditional 3-axis structure is difficult to achieve a balance between the cost and stability. From the bottom of last year, we spent a lot of time developing a brand new 3-axis stabilizing structure for smartphone. We can balance smartphone much better and perfectly realize 360 degrees.
Okay, we're ready for our first run. We're starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Just below us is probably a new FIA world record breaking truck. I say probably, but we're just about to find out because there it goes. Fantastic speed. We're chasing it in the chopper. We can't even catch up with it.
The current. The Iron Knight has been custom built for one goal alone: performance. Its 13-litre mid-mounted Volvo diesel engine has been given an enormous boost, which results in 2,400 horsepower and 6,000 newton-meters of torque. Together with the original I-Shift dual-clutch gearbox, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour takes just 4.6 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
So in 2012, Boyer set his own record. What have you done to make this better than mean green?
Unbelievably, this truck is 1,000 kilos lighter and we have 600 horsepower more. We've pretty much taken a standard gearbox and packaged it into this fantastic beast behind us. We're talking about lightness, we're talking about power, we're talking about a world-class gearbox. So all the signs are pointing in the right direction.
Okay, let's clear the course, let's clear the runway.
He's got to break the record across 1 kilometre.
Exactly, 1 kilometre.
And he's got to do it
in both directions within the hour.
Okay, we're ready for our first run. We're starting in 10, 9, 8, 7.
So it's quite simple. All Boyer has to do is drive like fury to the end of the track, stop, turn round, and come back again. And if it all goes to plan, we'll have a new world speed record.
3, 2, 1, go!
And there he goes, look at the power. He's really moving down the track, he's accelerating like a bullet. I've never seen anything like it. This is the first time I've been overtaken by a truck in a helicopter.
The first time is in. The time is 21.33.
The current world record time to beat, averaged over 2 1,000-metre runs, is 21.596 seconds.
So here we are at the start of the critical second run. This is the one that will really know whether he's broken the record or not.
Okay, second run. Everyone stand by.
And now he's beginning to pull away from us. The power from that machine is just phenomenal. Well, it looks fast to me, but you never can tell. We're just peeling off and we're going to go round in a circle and catch up with him.
The time is in for the reverse run. The time is 21.24.
He's set a new world record. He's done it. He's set a new world record. The old world record, 21.596. He's set himself in mean green, and Iron Knight has smashed that record.
So bad news. You know your beloved porcelain throne that you can spend an entire Sunday reading the Times on? It's actually kind of, bear with me here, crappy. Every flush pisses away a precious and vanishing natural resource, drinkable water. That's right, the average American wastes 20 gallons a day courtesy flushing their ones and twos. And that's on top of the energy, water, and chemicals it takes to pump and treat those dumps so they can be safely expelled, usually right back into the same water supply they came from. Yuck. It's a shitty situation. Good news is, there's a cutting-edge technology that completely solves the problem. Wait for it. Nature! Nature has a poop loop, an amazing cycle that handles our bodily waste without an ounce of, well, waste. You know how it works. An animal chows down on a plant, then drops a zesty deuce. Microbes chow down on said deuce and turn it into soil, which grows into another plant, which is eaten by the animal, etc., etc. Instead of flushing waste into a sewer system, compost toilets whisk it into a magic box that emulates nature's poop loop. Poop goes in, clean, nutrient-rich soil comes out.
Wait, you want to stuff an outhouse in my house?
Nope, just this. Yep, that's a compost toilet. To the naked eye, it looks like a regular toilet. But this particular crapper happens to save billions of gallons of drinkable water a year.
But wait, isn't there a ton of water around?
No, less than 3% of the world's water is fresh, and only 8% of that isn't polluted. Water supplies everywhere are starting to hit crisis levels, and composting toilets are one of those solutions that could really help save our, But how can we get people to learn about them and not, well, be skeeved out by them? And how can we get governments to make them easier to install and permit? Enter the OAEC, Occidental Arts and Ecology Center. We're partnering with the local regulators and scientists from UC Davis and Stanford to analyze which systems are scientifically proven to be clean, most effective, and generally awesome, so that everyone from governments to grandma will start to love them. But to succeed, we need your help. These systems and all that expert science are expensive, so please consider giving to our campaign. Together, we can vastly reduce humanity's ecological footprint by proving that compost toilets are, forgive me one last time, the shit.
Our lives have become more mobile. We carry our work tools everywhere, and that's why, more than ever, we need a bag. But from our own experience, most bags out there are not made for the modern lifestyle. So to end our own frustration, we decided to design a backpack from scratch. After endless testing, we are now ready to show you our creation, the Berg Backpack. And with over 10 noteworthy features, we believe that this is one of the best everyday backpacks ever. Let me tell you about it. It's made of a new and innovative material that makes it scratch-proof, cut-proof, and water-repellent. We wanted the Berg Backpack to be theft-proof, so we designed a unique hidden zipper placed up against your back, so you can turn your bag against anyone with ease of mind. To have less pressure on your back, we prioritized weight balance. With the laptop compartment placed firmly against your back, the weight is distributed more evenly and it feels dramatically lighter, a remarkable difference from traditional backpacks. The back panels are made of breathable material to bring extra comfort. From the outside, there are two easy-to-access pockets, one big on the back for the passport or wallet, and a pocket on the side that is big enough to hold an iPhone 6 Plus. It is easy to reach with only one hand. Let's look at the inside. There are protective sleeves for a laptop and tablet. 3 big pockets for a charger or camera gear, or anything. There is a place for your pens. A zipper pocket in the top for the stuff you don't want to fall out. You can also plug in your smartphone from your power bank in the bag while you go. and an elastic strap for your gym clothes or jacket. You can very easily reach your laptop and tablet from the protective sleeve. With traditional backpacks, you have to dig from the top to find what you need in the bottom. We made it possible to open all the way, so you always feel organized. We were tired of the black linen that you see in most bags, so we made it red, so it looks and feels like the inside of a nice suit. Now we need your help making the Berg backpack a reality. We already have deals with manufacturing companies with years of experience in making top-class products, and they are standing by to take care of production and logistics. This makes sure that you get your backpack on time and in the best quality on the market.